Assalamualaikum students. Hope you have practiced all the previous exercise. Today in fourth week we will discuss the topic HCF. So first of all look at the representation of HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. So you have to find the highest common factor of the given questions or given numbers. Now here some steps are written on the board. You can see the steps. So how will you find the HCF of any number? You have to follow these steps. These are the 4 steps. You have to follow these 4 steps for finding HCF. So the first step for finding HCF is break down the numbers. You have to break down the numbers. The second step for finding HCF is find out the prime factors. You have to find out the prime factorization of the number. Number third step is list out the common factor. When you find out the prime factorization of that number, then you have to write the common factors of the numbers. And in the last step, you have to multiply the common factor to get HCF. Let me solve an example in front of you. But keep in mind that HCF can be found out with the help of, we are having 2 methods. Number 1 method is HCF division method. You can see that here we are having the example which is 16, 24 and 48, and here the solution is also given. This method is known as HCF division method. Now the second method for finding HCF can be HCF by long division method. This is the second method how you can find HCF, but I will solve the question with the help of the first example, which is HCF division. You can see the example. The example is we are having 3 numbers 15, 35 and 65. Now I am going to find the HCF of these numbers. So using these steps, so first step is break down the numbers. So I am going to break down the numbers. So this is 15. Now this is 35. Now we are having 65. So I will break down the numbers. Now you have to do the prime factorization of this 15. So it would be like this: 3 5s are 15 and then 5 1s are 5. Now prime factorization of 35, 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Now prime factorization of 65, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So it will be 13 1s are 13. Now what you have to do, the second step is you have to find out, you have broke down the numbers, which is the first step. The second step is find out the prime factor. Now you will write the prime factor of each number one by one. So I am going to write prime factor of 15, which are 3 and 5. Now prime factor of 35, which are 5 and 7. Now prime factors of 65, which are 5 and 13. So you can see the second step, which is find out the prime factor. So you have brought a prime factor of each number. Now list out the common factor. You have to list out the common factor. So first of all, you will check all the prime factors and you can circle all the common numbers. Now you want to find the HCF, so the final HCF will be the common number. So we are having just only one number, which is 5. So the HCF of this question will be HCF is equal to 5. Now come to the homework, students. Your homework is that solve all the questions given in the 4th week of summer task using this technique, and you can also solve this question with the help of long division method. I hope you understand the topic and do practice at home. Thank you so much.